differential calculus. In previous class, I found derivative forms of 10 x to the power n, e to the power x, log of x, sin x, and cos x by its definition. And again, repeating the definition of dy by dx by y is a function of x. Limit x tends to 0 if x plus h minus fx by h. So now, first today try to find out the derivative form of 10x, cot x, sec x, and cos x. These very usual theoretic functions. So now we first take y is equal to 10x. We will try to find out dy by dx by through its definition. So this will be limit h tends to 0 if x plus h means 10x plus h minus 10x by h. So this can be written down in this way. Limit h tends to 0, 10x plus h can be written down sin x plus h by cos x plus h minus 10x can be written down sin x by cos x by h. If we solve the numerator, then we will find out limit h tends to 0, h cos x plus h. The numerator will be sin x plus h cos x minus cos x plus h sin x. So we know sin A cos B minus cos A sin this formula. The sin A minus B's formula. So limit h tends to 0. The numerator will be sin A minus B. So A is x plus h minus x. And the denominator will be h cos x cos x plus h. So here x cancels each other. So we will get limit h tends to 0 sin h by h, and these two will separate this out of the limit. H tends to 0, 1 by cos x plus h. This form from limit, we know that it is equal to 1. So if we put this equal to 1, then we will get, and here we will put h tends to 0. So we will get limit h tends to 0, 1 by cos x again. So we will get, sorry, limit will not exist by the cos x and cos x. X is equal to 0. So this will be 1 by cos square x. This will be sec square x. The differentiation of 10x we will get just sec square x. We have to remember this formula, that differentiation of 10x will be sec square x. Now we'll go in another formula to find out. If we take y is equal to cot x, then what will be the value of dy by dx? Then it will be limit h tends to 0. You will get x plus h minus x by h. Then limit h tends to 0. Cot x plus h can be written down. Cos x plus h by sin x plus h minus cot x can be written down cos x by sin x. The denominator will be h. And if we solve the numerator, then it will be h remains in the denominator. Sin the denominator now becomes sin x plus h sin x, and the numerator will be cos x plus h sin x minus sin x plus h cos x. So if we recall the formulas, cos A sin B minus sin A cos B, or sin A cos B cos A sin minus um, um, cos A sin B, then we will get the same formula sin A minus B. This will be limit h tends to 0. Here we will get, we have taken x is equal to A and x plus h is taken in B. This will be x minus x plus h, and the denominator will be h sin x plus h sin x. Here again x cancel each other and we will get minus h, and sine of minus h we will get minus sin h. So minus comes out, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h, limit h tends to 0, 1 by sin x plus h by sin x. So again this form is equal to 1, so it will be minus 1, limit limiting value we will put here, h tends to 0 or h equal to 0, so we will get 1 by sin square x. So this will be now minus cos a square x. So differential form of cot x will be minus cos x square x. You have to keep it in mind this formula. Now we will go in another form. We will go. We will take now y is equal to sec x. Then what will be the value of dy by dx? Here again, by the definition of the differentiation, h tends to 0. This will be fx plus h means sec of x plus h minus sec x by h. equal to limit h tends to 0. Sec of x plus h will be 1 by cos x plus h minus sec x will be 1 by cos x. And the denominator is h. If we again solve the numerator, it will be h cos x plus h. The numerator will be now cos x minus cos x plus h. So here we will get cos c minus cos d formula. So we have limit h tends to 0, or we can reformulate it in another way also, like in this way, that cos c minus cos d. So this can be, we have also formula of it, or we can write down in this way. We will take root 2 multiplication, then we will get 1 by root 2 cos c minus 1 by root 2 cos d. We can rearrange this root 2 sin pi by 4 cos c minus both are cos, both are cos. So we cannot now use this. We just use the formula cos c minus cos d. What will be 2 into cos d minus c by 2, 2 sorry, 2 into sin d minus c by 2. D minus c means x cancels. This will be sin h by 2 into sin c plus d by 2. So this will be under bracket 2x plus h by 2. After adding these two, x and x plus h, and here it will be 2 cos x cos of x plus h. So here this is h actually. Here limit h tends to 0, 2 comes out from it, or we can rearrange this in this way. If h tends to 0, then h by 2 tends to 0, sin h by 2 by h by 2, and the other limiting values are limit h tends to 0, sin 2x plus h by 2 cos x cos x plus h. So here this value again equals to 1. So we get this is 1. And here if we put the limiting value h equal to 0, we will get the numerator will be sin x. 2 to cancels and h equal to 0. And here in the denominator I will get cos x multiply cos x. So here we can write down this or rearrange this. 1 by cos x, 1 multiply sin x, 1 by cos x is sec x, and sin x by cos x is tan x. So this is our differential form. You all know this. So differentiation of sec x is equal to sec x multiplied tan x. So last differentiation and y equal to cosec x, then we used to know what will be the value of dy by dx. This will be limit h tends to 0. This will be cosec x plus h minus cosec x by h. Limit h tends to 0. Cosec x plus h will be 1 by sine x plus h minus 1 by sine x by h. If we solve the numerator, then it will be the denominator will be changed h multiply sine x plus h multiply sine x, and the numerator will be sine x minus sine x plus h. So again we use sine c minus sine this formula, which will be 2 into cos a plus b by 2 into cos and d minus c by 2. H tends to 0, sin c minus d. This will be 2 into sin c plus d by 2. So this will be 2x plus h by 2. Okay, this will be cos c plus d by 2. Cos c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. So this will be h by 2. H sin x plus h into sin x. So if we rearrange it, so limit h by 2 tends to 0, sin h by 2 by h by 2, limit h tends to 0, then it will be cos 2x plus h by 2 sin x plus h into sin x. This is equal to 1. And here if we put h equal to 0, then we will get cos x, the below numerator, denominator will be sin x multiplied sin x. So 1 by sin x is equal to cosec x, and cos x by sin x is cot x. And here I have sin c minus sin d, 2 into cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So here we will get minus sin actually. Sin a minus sin b, 2 into sin a plus b by 2 into 2 into cos a plus b by 2 into sine b minus a by 2. So here will be the minus sign, and the minus sign comes here actually. So here we will get a minus sign. So minus sign remains at in this form. So differentiation of y equal to cos cosec x equal to minus cosec x multiply cot x. So you have to remember all these formulas. If you like this video, then like. Of course, if you like, then share with your friends. If you not subscribe this channel to um, continue watching this video, then subscribe this channel. Subscribe this channel. If you have any question, then comment me. Thanks for watching.